Drama, drama, drama. African Cup of Nations final in Morocco, it's full of drama. The match between Senegal and the host nation, Morocco, is full of drama. So this match has been affected by so many calls made by the referee. Firstly, Senegal were denied a goal where the referee said that there was a foul in the build-up to the goal. However, if you can check both players, it seems like they both pushed each other. However, it was the Senegalese player who got punished. And just before the match ended in regular time, Brahim Diaz was brought down in the box and a penalty was awarded after the referee consulted VAR. So that decision made Senegal angry because their calls were not taken to VAR. When it's Morocco, calls they go to VAR. So they decided that no penalty was going to be given. So the players went outside the field. And they said that Morocco, if they want this AFCON by cheating, let them keep this AFCON. They went out. However, one man, Sadio Mane, he refused to go out of the field. He urged his fellow teammate to continue the game. However, they ended up leaving and they went to the dressing room and there were tensions in the technical area of both teams. And what happened afterwards is that Sadio Mane went to the changing room, called his fellow teammates, and they came back into the field and a penalty was taken. The player who was fouled, Brahim Diaz, is the one who took the penalty. And guess what? He did an audacious Panenka. Eduardo Mendy saved that penalty. And that's where the game ended. And it went to extra time as 0-0. Guess what? Senegal scored in extra time. Senegal scored with Pape Gueye scoring the goal. And we can see that Brahim Diaz was no longer in the game. They even substituted him. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of these calls by the referee? Do you think that the referee was biased towards Morocco, or do you think that he was fair? Let me hear your thoughts regarding what the referee did in this match. And do you think that he was able to officiate this game properly, or maybe this game was just too big for this referee? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. Yeah, this AFCON is full of drama, honestly. Senegal should be proud of themselves. Remember, they won these trophies against all odds, with the referee trying by all means to make sure that they lose. So let's focus on the winners. Congratulations to Senegal after winning the 2025 African Cup of Nations, defeating the host nation Morocco. Yeah, in a fierce final, a final that was full of controversy. So the story of AFCON 2025 says Senegal are the champions with a goal from Pape Gueye in extra time, with Sadio Mane being the hero of the nation, recalling his teammates back into the field, and they came back and conquered. Brahim Diaz will not forget this moment in a very long time. The Panenka that he took. Should he have scored that penalty, the game wouldn't have gone to extra time and Morocco would have won their first AFCON in 50 years. Now, let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of all this drama? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.